A peak collab with all the wine aunts? This is gonna be so peak. Wow, that sure is a peak lineup. But what will you be playing? Stare?
Oh, geez, I wonder what we're playing. I wonder if the game called Peak is considered the fucking game. You stupid bitch. Come on. Use your fucking
Hey,
brain.
chat. Well,
Okay, so you want me to be nice is what I'm hearing. I can fix that. Camera check. That's cool. Thanks. What? The fuck are you looking at?
Good afternoon, Zen. I am now a member of your Discord server. Great googly moogly. That sky looks so nice.
Shut up. It was pretty nice, though. Hold on, I got the thing. Oh, it's gonna die. Hold on now. I'm gonna save you. Don't worry. Wait. Wait for it. It's coming. Almost there. So close.
Looking, I understand UV now.
And done.
Get Cho Belly out of my face,
Got
you
it.
stinker.
See? Shut up. I'm fixing the freaking camera. Come on. It's fucking stuck. Hello?
Camera guy has died. Chatter, don't act like you didn't always understand UV.
Okay.
Don't worry, chat. Zen can't see us. We're in the blind spot. Laying in the grass, watching the clouds with Zen and the geckos, today is the best.
Peaceful. Yeah? Pretty peaceful.